Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. Now, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android and you're growing your audience and you want to start earning money from the videos that you post on TikTok, I'll walk you through the entire process. The first thing we're going to do is open up the TikTok app, again, on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Tap on Account midway down. Tap on Business Verification. Verify your business to access marketing tools and exclusive features. Now, you used to be able to just tap this button and automatically switch from a personal account to a business account. Right now, as of a couple weeks ago, TikTok does require that you upload certain documents to verify that you are a business. You don't need this to be able to monetize your account, but if you do have a business, just upload the documents because you'll get added features and analytics. After you've verified or switched to a business account, or if you don't have a business, go back to the profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on TikTok Studio Creation and Business Tools. Scroll down. Tap on Monetization midway down. You can see this is where monetization lives on your TikTok app. Again, you don't need a business account, but a business account does add features. From here, you can see your monetization, your estimated rewards at the top. However, if you scroll down, next to Programs for You, tap on View All. This will show you all of your eligible and ineligible ways that you can monetize your account. For me, I have Service Plus that I am eligible, build connections with potential clients when you're live. If you are eligible, you can tap the red Join button and go through the process of joining that monetization. However, in my case, I don't have eligibility for a number of these things. For instance, to create a rewards program, create videos that are 1 minute or longer and get paid for qualified views. If you tap on that, it says you're so close, and if you scroll down, it says to join, you must be 18 plus, which I am, have at least 10,000 followers, which I do not, and have at least 100,000 video views. If you are eligible, you can tap on to basically be eligible and apply for this. If you're not, you can tap on to be notified when you do become eligible for that specific monetization. Now, next tap the back arrow, and you can go through all of these other ones and see how close you are to monetizing. Tap the back arrow again, and under monetization, you can see balance. Tap View to the right of balance. You'll be able to see your estimated earned balance if you wanted to pull that money out if you have already earned some money. Tap Payment Method at the bottom. And then enter in your payment method. You can see PayPal here, or you can choose other options depending on which country you're in. Essentially, verify your account on here, and then once you start earning that money on TikTok, it will pull that money out through PayPal or through your bank and basically deposit into your bank. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.